Gondor chocolate ball mill. Stainless steel ball grinding method. High quality. Chocolate machine series. Bearing steel material. Wear resistant and no scraps. Fine grinding of steel balls. Adjustable grinding fineness. Uniform mixing, consistent flavor. Easy to clean. Keep the original texture of chocolate. Adjustable temperature and stirring speed. Effective cooling to ensure product quality. Processing effect show. Makes the chocolate syrup smoother. Real packaging and shipping. Related product of chocolate ball mill.